Good morning everyone, and for usually Tuesday I try to cover one skincare product, but this week, as you know, the Black Friday sale is going on. I want to talk about how you can choose the perfect skincare for you from the beauty book. If you have already ordered either samples or even Lipson's color or any order, you usually get the latest beauty book along with it. I always like to have it in person because this really helps for you to understand the product. This is our basically our catalog of permanent line. Still we don't have any of the limited editions in our book because Senegence releases new beauty book every 3 months because we keep adding new products and new colors, so that way it is always updated every 3 months with the new additions being added. So the way the book is being laid out, it's so perfect for you to understand. I am always here for you to answer the questions, provide extra information, or even color swatches, all those things. But even if I am not there, you will still be able to understand because if you see how they started, they will talk about Senegence and even our wonderful CEO Joni Rajakanje, and then they talk about what is the purpose of Senegence, how it's been all started, and the very first thing they talk about is our obviously our proprietary kinetic enzyme, the Senaplex complex, because this is one major component that sets us different from other products, because this is a proprietary thing that is only available to Senegence. Senegence has invented it, so we use in every single product, whether it's skincare or some of our makeups have this, because this is the one that's going to make a huge difference in your skincare line. You can see from the week 0 to week 8 how much it can improve your skincare. And also these all the what to say, like the results published here in this book are always from a third party. Senegence always gives these to a third party, that way you can trust these ones. They are not just published by Senegence. So you can read about why Senaplex complex is a huge what is it, like a benefit to you by increasing your cellular turnover, because that's when you are going to get more newer skin cells. And once you cross that, you will see the first thing is like our basic skincare line, because here we talk about all 4 lines we give, because every skin is different, so you need to treat them differently. So they have always listed down the key ingredients, how it is, what is the purpose of the key ingredient, and also you can choose one. This is like, I would say, must have. That's why it's been given to everybody. So based on your skincare, this is like you will include in yours. So that is the first point they have started. And once you do that, then you will slowly start to read about every product that is like been given. See, for example, retinol, climate control, Seneserum C, and eye cream and all, these are for everybody. Whether you have any problem areas or not, you can still use it, because these are like everyday skincare that is going to improve your skin, and no matter what age you are, it is going to be beneficial to you. So that's why those comes next, and the same way they start on the treatments next. So once you understand your skin type, once you include the basic necessities, then you can pick the treatment of your choice. So that's how it progresses. So it progresses with brightening, anti-wrinkle, dark circle and all, spot on. And then also it talks about our exfoliators. So how I say the basic skincare is must, the same way you need one exfoliator, at least minimum one exfoliator in your system, because unless you remove your dead skin cells, because we constantly produce dead cells, your skin is going to look patchy, your foundation is not going to go well, and you will have dryness all over your skin. So including what is it, like a exfoliator in your system makes a huge difference. And this is one of our top seller across the board. So you will be able to what is it, like see tons of difference once you start including them. And same way, once you finish all those, you will have this page, because the purpose of this page itself is to show you the order of the products. So that's why I sent this. So if you are a newbie, then you can have this in your sink and have your products lined up, so that way you don't make any mistake, because Synergen's products are scientifically designed in such a way that they go from smaller molecules to bigger ones here, because the smaller molecules can penetrate deep into the skin for maximum benefits, and as they go bigger, they stay on top of the layers. For example, climate control is one which I really love it. That is one of the first product that goes on top of your skin, because it's going to penetrate deep in your skin and it's going to activate at its cellular level. So it's going to be like drinking water for your skin. So and each molecule is based on that. If the molecule is so big, it cannot even penetrate deeper to the skin level, and it's going to be just on top of the layer, and sometimes you won't get maximum benefit out of it. So make sure you understand that well, and once you cross that, you will have all our makeup products lined up. You have the shades included here. They have talked about whether you are a cool tone, a warm tone, how to find it, and we always also have the swatches for them. And I can send you pictures of people who wear that shade. That way you can see whether they are closer to your skin tone, or whether they are lighter or darker. And then they talk about all the concealers and the color shades. So these are like, as I mentioned, these are going to be your permanent line, so they never go out of stock. So the same way with the Shadow Sense. So we have certain colors that is in our permanent line. Once they become really versatile, they go with everybody's skin tone, and it's so popular, they get added to here to the permanent line. So we always have limited editions throughout the year. See, for example, they will have fall collections, they will have winter collection. But they will have permanent colors which will work throughout the year, and they never go out of stock. Here you can see what is the difference between each product. For example, here we have the waterproof and non-waterproof. So you can choose based on what is applicable to you, and also it will also benefits the key ingredients in each. And you can always request me for the complete ingredient list. That way you are sure of what you are picking. If you are allergic to some ingredients, you can always make sure whether that is there. And same way, we have hundreds and hundreds of Lipson's colors, but we have 53 permanent line colors. And here you have even the application tips on how you can line the lips and how you do 3 layers of the Lipson's. And here they have also mentioned whether it's a cool tone or a warm tone, or whether it's there are three different types of Lipson's, whether it's a matte lipstick, whether it's a frost or shimmer. So each ones you will be able to identify from the book. And the same way you have here the permanent glosses which you can pick for the removers. And here comes the fun part of having all the hair care line. That way you can pick which line applies to you. I love to see these pictures, because here it's really explanatory. They explained really well on why you need to choose that particular product and which way it can benefit. For example, we have now 3 different lines, so it can explain you and guide you on that, how to choose the line that really works for you. And the same way we have our spa products listed. So being a gifting season, you can always look for those. So and also once you decide to even become a distributor, here you have your discount level listed on how to join, and what are the benefits you will be getting. So this beauty book is I always say it's our Bible kind of, because you have every single information here listed down beautifully. And whenever the new one comes, I always have the PDF version too. So if you're a person who likes to do it in your phone or laptop, you can always request me the PDF form. That way you can scroll through it any day. And I'm going to even list down the videos where I do. For example, if you are looking for skincare products, my YouTube will have everything under skincare. The same way, if you are looking for makeup, it will have under makeup. I have playlist in my YouTube channel differently. Instead of searching here, you can even do that too. I have eye looks in a separate playlist. I have lip sense in a separate playlist. So there are tons of videos to look around and learn about each product, because that way you will be ready for our Friday sale. You know what you need to pick it, and as I mentioned, you can always reach out to me for the questions whatever you have, and I'll be able to answer it. Hope you liked this video. Have a wonderful day.